expert for Google Cloud, being a
across multiple countries. ये मेरा I think 187th
गूगल में इनका कैरियर बन सकता है नहीं?
हाँ जी
आराम से।
Forward to the sessions. So hope so by end of the event you will gain some information.
So hello जी, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू एपिसोड। सो भाई होपफुली आप सब बिल्कुल अच्छे से होंगे, मज़े में होंगे। तो भाई आज हम जा रहे हैं गूगल का सेमिनार है, वो अटेंड करने जाएंगे। सो फिलहाल यहाँ से जल्दी चलेंगे, आपको उधर ही जाके मिलते हैं, सीधा सेमिनार हो। नीचे अब जाते ज़रा देखेंगे वहीं पे क्या सीन रहता है, टिकट हमें देंगे या नहीं देंगे, स्लिप कहाँ से निकालेंगे हम, वहीं पे देखते हैं।
Now I would like to call our very first speaker, Mr. Karthik Desari, who is a technical consultant by profession and an advocate for technology by passion. He has been recognized as a Google developer expert for Google Cloud. Being a 6x Google Cloud certified professional, he will be shedding light on scaling our web apps using Firebase and Google Cloud. Please sir, come on the stage.
Here from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Not sure if anybody has anyone been to Ahmedabad before? Okay, come to me. I can tell you more about Ahmedabad and different stories. And majorly from a work perspective, I majorly work with Google Cloud enterprise customers, building their solutions, building their data pipelines, building their AI engines on top of Google Cloud. And I know a little bit around web, Firebase and Google Cloud, so that is something that I'll be talking about. Google Developer Experts is one program which I have been recognized for, and specifically for Google Cloud. And I've also been contributing to the Google Cloud Champion Innovators program as well, which is one of the exclusive program for Google Cloud developers. So in case if you haven't heard about it, go check it out. It's a great program. And fourth year? Okay. And how many of you know web, HTML, CSS, JavaScript? Okay, how many of you know basic Node.js? What is server, what is backend, what is frontend? Okay. How many of you know what is mobile? Okay, Android, Kotlin. Cool. Alright, great. So this is something I'll be talking about. Now, how many of you think as a front-end developer or a back-end developer, you should learn seconds? And how many of you have been using server-side rendering application? Nuxt.js or React or Next or so now we have our users, we have our application deployed, but we only want authenticity. So that is where cloud storage comes into the picture. Cloud storage is cloud storage is a product where you can store all of your unstructured data. Let's say even if you have a CSV file, you have photo, you have video, you have got some export of your database, anything. You can store anything in cloud storage. So for an example, let's think about the user flow. Let's say the user goes to the front end of our web application. They goes ahead and upload a picture and video on the front end. Now that video should be placed in the cloud storage bucket. Once that is placed in the cloud of processing, how many of you have ever uploaded a video on YouTube? Okay. So let's say a use case where whenever you go and upload a picture on a video on YouTube, right? It would do a little bit of processing. It would check if the content is already copyright or not. It would check if it has got let's say some nudity or some terrorism or some XYZ filters or not. And if everything is good, if everything is okay, then they would also convert it to different sizes, right? 240, 360, 480, XYZ, right? So all of this processing needs to happen. In our Instagram scenario, in our application scenario, let's say we have got the picture, we have got the video. Let's say if I got a picture of me standing in front of the mountains, right? Now, how should we generate a caption out of it? That is where we would use Cloud Functions. Cloud Functions is something where you can deploy where you can run a single function and you only pay for it. Let's say, how many of you know what are functions, right? You know functions and methods, right? Microsoft Azure AD, you can add in own managed user ID and password, and all of that would be taken care by Firebase. So you don't need to write a lot of code. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to send in and generate JWT authentication and all of that, right? All of that would be taken care by Firebase.
I'd like to call our next speaker. He is a senior Android engineer, currently working as an individual consultant, and he has been working in the industry for close about 10 plus years, primarily helping building Android mobile products and scaling them up. So, please give a huge round of applause to Mr. Adit Lal. He will be speaking on accelerating key learnings in the Android development. So, please.
Announcement. We do have one Twitter contest. You just have to click the picture of event and you have to upload it on Twitter or Instagram. On Twitter, you can use hashtag IO, hashtag IO2023, hashtag GDG Chandigarh, hashtag WTM Chandigarh. You can choose any one hashtag and you just have to add that hashtag to that post. And if you are uploading it on Instagram, you have to tag us at the rate GDG Chandigarh and we are going to retweet it, and also we are going to reshare your Instagram story, and we are going to choose one random winner from this contest, and there will be something for that winner. Okay, so I am going to repeat the hashtag. Hashtag Google I/O, hashtag IO2023, hashtag GDG Chandigarh, hashtag WTM Chandigarh, hashtag IO Extended CHD. You can choose any one tag. Okay? Okay.
Okay, so this is going to be a lot more fun. We're just trying to push, like we all front-end engineers have to do CSS, so thought about CSS project. So just bear with us for 2 minutes, we'll just fix it. You'll get brownie points for that. Okay? So I'm a beer enthusiast, I'm a globetrotter, I'm a speaker, I've given talks across multiple countries. ये मेरा I think 187th as a conversation. I say conversation, not a speaking engagement, क्योंकि I want to understand आप लोगों को क्या पसंद है, what you don't like, and how do I bring that difference. अगर आपने कभी Kotlin multi-platform पे काम नहीं करा, what is that difference? So first things first. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं, करेक्ट? There is Android, iOS, web, cloud, backend and so forth. आप लोगों ने लास्ट टॉक में काफी इंटरेक्शंस करे कि क्लाउड में ऐसे कैसे होता है, वैसे कैसे होता है. So I'm trying to bring all that interface. I think there was this one question somewhere here. Can I write cloud function in some other language? Yes, you can in Kotlin. अगर आप ये एक Kotlin as a language, if you pick it up as a base language, you can actually start building for all these platforms. Okay? Now, I'm a product banda. I'm a product engineer. So when I think about building something, what is the one thing that I want to do first? कितनों के पास Android phones या iPhones नहीं है यहाँ पे? कितनों के पास नहीं है smartphone? All of you have smartphone? No? एक बंदा नहीं, कोई नहीं, ठीक है, एक बंदा है, अच्छा, okay, cool. So basically जब आप टारगेट करते हो आज के मोबाइल मार्केट को, there is Android and iOS, correct? Primary 2 platforms. Windows is there, Symbian OS ये सब चले गए. Now when this wild idea comes, let's say मुझे कोई chat application बनाना है. I know it's a Google event. इतने भी प्यार नहीं है chat से, but still it's a Google तो love affinity relationship with chat. Let's say I want to do this. What are the few things that you're going to do? You're going to hire a team, correct? Mobile engineers या खुद बनाओगे. Next you're going to define the requirements कि chat में login करना है. I have to have stickers. I have to have that Telegram effect, or rather WhatsApp effect. Aunties and mummies को नहीं चाहिए, बस सिर्फ हमारे जवान लोगों को चाहिए. So you'll have different things that you want to build for your product. Next, you're going to build a roadmap, correct? Very simple thing. अगर आप company start करो, you want to build some development cost. You want to understand what are the problems that I'm going to solve for my users. फिर आप उसको plan बनाओगे. फिर आप उसको launch करने की कोशिश करोगे. Validation step, correct? All these things I'm just saying, it's nothing theoretical. The point I'm trying to make here is अगर आप एंड्रॉइड के लिए अलग टीम हायर करो, नेटिव इंजीनियर्स, एंड iOS के लिए अलग करोगे, there's a 2x cost of all of this. The cost is the time spent in meetings. How many of you like attending meetings? या college lectures? Very good. बहुत अच्छा सब. Oh, एक बंदा है. अरे ये पक्का टॉपर होगा. इसको पीछे, इसको आगे, आप पीछे कैसे बैठो? आगे आने चाहिए आपको. So idea is that we don't want this cost to keep growing. Imagine if I do this. Android iOS का बना लिया. 6 महीने बीत गए. 50 लाख खर्च दिए. Whatever that cost is. I start adding web. How many of you are web engineers? How many of you want to get a web engineering job? All of you want to have a very good fancy salary, right? अब web के साथ भी अगर मैं native करूँ, what is the cost going to be? It's going to be 3x. क्योंकि Android team होगी, एक iOS team होगी, एक web होगी. I'm sorry to disappoint you if you don't.
Google I/O, what exactly is. So now we are going to start our main agenda and we are going to move forward to the sessions. So hope so by end of the event you will gain some information from us and we will very happily going to answer all your queries. If you are having any of your queries you can ask in between the sessions also and after the sessions also. So thank you audience, thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you.
आ गया वहाँ से बाहर, मतलब एकदम ना माहौल बन गया. सो फिलहाल जाएंगे मैस, उसके बाद फिर आपसे मिलते हैं. फिलहाल भूख लगी है भाई बहुत जोरदार. तू मेरे को भाई एक बात बता, तूने गूगल सेमिनार हॉल अटेंड किया, तूने क्या सीखा वहाँ?
हाँ, बहुत कुछ सीखा. जैसे कि गूगल इस कॉलेज में
कैसे है हैकिंग वगैरह. तुझे पहले से आता था हैकिंग वगैरह? नहीं,
नहीं
अब मुझे लगता तो अब हैक करने वाला है गूगल.
नहीं मुझे तो कुछ नहीं आता है.
ऐसे ही हवाबाजी करता है. अच्छा, तो कितने बजे गया था वहाँ पे गूगल सेमिनार हॉल अटेंड किया था तूने?
मैं सुबह 9 AM में गया था.
हाँ.
उस सेमिनार हॉल में उसने फिर हम लोग के का जो वो सेमिनार बहुत अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा, बाकी अब आगे क्या लगता है, तू गूगल में काम करेगा? नहीं,
मेरा तो पर्सनली बैकग्राउंड इंजीनियरिंग से नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो मैं उस पर मैं ध्यान ही नहीं दे सकता हूँ.
बस हम खाली ना देख रहे थे कि क्या चलता है.
बस ऐसे कह रहा था नॉलेज के लिए.
बाकी ऑडियंस को क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
अभी इसको क्या बोलना चाहते हैं
कि गूगल में इनका कैरियर बन सकता है? नहीं,
हाँ जी,
आराम से.
अभी बढ़ते हुए न्यू डिजिटल में बहुत अच्छा कैरियर है.
सो भाई
हर साल मुझे कैरियर
ये देखो भाई, अभी थोड़ी देर हम लोग सो जाएंगे, बैंक थक गया. सो भाई इस व्लॉग को यहीं पे एंड करते, बाकी मिलते हैं नए व्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए एपिसोड एंड बाय.